English muffin with some peanut butter. Gotta brush my teeth. Go down to the pool. And then we're going to the beach. Kelly and I are making our way down to the beach right now. Camera yesterday, we had a beach day still. Got full. Alright, shitty day out. So we're going to TJ Maxx to do a little bit of shopping. Got some clothes. Gonna try them on. Cute little shorts. Look at my sunburn. Adidas pants. Okay, what'd you get?
10 hats.
Outfit.
Okay, I got 10 hats. Mom got a ring and something.
I need a suitcase on our way home just for my hats.
I ended up getting shorts and pants that threw in the back. After we left the store, we ended up driving down to St. Petersburg. And now we're just taking pictures of all the artwork out here. I'm gonna turn it around and show a building right now. There we go.
Oh, there is a T. And there's an E. There's 2 E's.
That's one.
Is that like the superhero guys?
And there's like this over here. And there's more, but
Tons of it.
yeah, it's like all over the place. There's one over there as well. Awesome though, it's everywhere. There's that one. Just like, that one's awesome though.
That one's awesome.
And there's like that one too. Tony's Pizza.
It was terrible. That's what I'm saying. I don't want to end up with that.
It's either just a cheese pepperoni one or...
Oh, the Garden State.
Off to an early start today. I'm going to go work out at the gym. Kelly's getting her hair braided. Spin class. Just got done working out. Me and Kelly just ran out of there. And now we're on our way to go get smoothies at Tropical Smoothie. And we went to the wrong LA Fitness today. We went to a different one. But Kelly still got into her spin class. She liked it. I just did legs, ran on a treadmill, did some stair climbers, and then literally did 12 reps and then we left. So that was great. Whoa, look at that. Yeah. So I got a muscle blaster. We were just in there. Kaylee got a buttercup. It's literally a milkshake. With banana. That's good. Tropical Smoothie Cafe.
Now we need directions home.
Alright, so headed back down to the beach because it got sunny out. Alright, so this is what the beach looks like normally when we're here. But 2 days ago, or yesterday, it was like flooded with people. Now there's like nobody. Tuesday or Monday, either one. But yeah, we're gonna hang out, do nothing, soak up the sun. Left the beach, we're on our way back to the pool. It's too cold down there. Right now, I left off at the pool, but right now we're going to eat food, and then we're going to a baseball game later. Where are we?
Gators.
Head to the baseball game now.
Yeah.
And got done eating and we saw dolphins, but I missed them because my camera was off. So nobody gets to see it if I don't get to see it. No, that was fucking... I mean, good for you if you like baseball, but that is a no for me. I'm not ever going to go to a baseball game.
Ever.
Ever. Again.
Then again, that was inside.
Like, closed off. Still, though, it was just
No.
like...
I feel like it would be so different. If it was a good, upbeat game,
Yeah.
and like...
Like the
that
Yankees
was,
or something.
yeah, like the Yankees and the Pirates or something like that.
Yeah.
Or the Giants.
Something local. Something from New York, you know.
Yeah.
Hey guys, so got up, got ready, and Dad's out there making breakfast right now. I got my coffee. I just had to retake this because I messed up and I had my back facing towards the window. And I didn't have the lighting correct, so I was literally just like a black blob on the screen. Or on the camera or whatever. But we're going to be going to Walmart later, and then we're going back to go swimming at the pool. Change of plan. We didn't end up going to Walmart. We're actually at an art gallery place right now. Left the art place, now we're going into town. This older woman told us to.
So we have both.
Go walk
right there,
around.
and then we
Let's
have-
go look at all the shops. Gina Dine's Smokehouse. Mom,
Damn it.
Tomatoes on there. Says it is. Alright. Got back to the apartment, but now we're going swimming, got Lane stuff again. And then that's about it. Done at the pool, now we're going to the beach. Walk on the beach and then go out to eat dinner. I'm exhausted. You probably can't even see me, right? Probably not.
I just want watermelon. You guys want them?
Do I want some watermelon? Will it stain red?
Yeah.
Alright. And now we're going down to the beach. Kaylee changed her bathing suit to take some more photos with a watermelon. Ooh. Look at that. Whoa. Wow. I look like, but these women that took a video, because they are just watching us take photos. Like this entire time. Like they're non-stop looking at us. Okay, I'm gonna pan it over. And I'm totally gonna just completely zoom in on them. It's the woman, I don't know, the one is, she's like the farthest woman to the right now, laying in that chair. There's a woman right to her left. Alright, we're back at the condo. Kaylee is changing into a white bathing suit and she's bringing a green bathing suit with her, and we're gonna go take more photos of her, and then she's gonna take photos of me, and then we're just gonna hang out at the beach after that. Make some pineapple. Delicious. Doesn't look good at all, but it is. It's like all the soft squishy parts. Beach for the rest of the day, I think. She's ready. Okay, we're going to Mom and Dad. They didn't take the Jeep. Kaylee's driving us. Beautiful, beautiful out right now. Okay, stop Mom and Dad. We're going to dinner now. Bubba gums. Gators. Oh shit, it just looks so good now. It's all dark. Oh, okay, whatever. It's definitely my door.
Your door's open.
Whose? Mine is?
Yeah, look at it.
How?
I don't
I
know.
literally shut it behind me.
No, you didn't, obviously. It's fucking wide open.
Oh, you know what? It's because I thought you guys were pointing at the top, so I left it open.
Oh my god.
Gators.
No, they have.
Oh, let's go.
You might know
Same
me.
spot?
You might know me.
Same spot? Yeah, she said it was at that one.
That's what the motorcycle deserved. So I just got done eating dinner. Got some dessert, got cheesecake with caramel. Got flatbread, veggie flatbread. Vegetarian. And we just sat there for like 10 minutes watching this boat that just took half an hour to come in from the ocean. So it has like all these cars. Oh no, I'm like completely zoomed in on my face, aren't I? I am. All those cars backed up. Crazy. But now I'm not zoomed in. But now we're on our way home. I think. Are we going to a bar? Not sure, but we'll see. Ready? Oh, I'm just gonna do this. What? Said ready? Look at the little baby. He's always here to greet us. Look at him. Oh my god, he's so cute. He's hunting. I can't focus on it though. There's a big one somewhere. I can't find it. Probably up in that hole. It's scary. But that's where they hang out. Maybe in this thing. Nope. Okay. Yeah, I don't know where the big one is. Snake one is. Seriously. Oh damn, he's so cute. Oh my god. He's such a fucking little monster.